Handvoll Telescopic Ladders. Made of 6063A aluminum alloy, stable and durable. Portable and convenient for storing. Each rung of the ladder has 2 locking pins, more practical. Non-slip foot sleeves with strong wear resistance can prevent slipping. It also has a strong bearing capacity and can bear 330 pounds weight. Whether you are a professional contractor or just ticking off the chores at home, Handvoll Telescopic Extension Ladder is your good partner. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Step by step. From professional construction sites to your personal living room, you need a solid, reliable stepladder that you can depend on. We decided to build on that by creating a state-of-the-art telescopic ladder that'll serve you in any situation. Perfect for both utility and domestic jobs, our extendable ladder ensures you'll always get the perfect height while keeping you safe and secure. And speaking of safety, it features anti-slip feet, ridged steps, and secure locking safety space. Number 2. A quick adjustment. Hanging a picture frame and installing roof shingles have one thing in common: the need for more height. With our collapsible ladder, you can get both jobs done right. Extend it from 3 feet to 15.5, with a quick lift of the rungs. And when you need to lower it, use the simple push buttons. Get the utmost versatility with Handvoll's portable ladder. Number 3. Professional grade certified. If you rely on your aluminum ladder for industrial jobs, then make sure you're relying on the best. Handvoll is EN 131 certified, meaning our extendable ladder is approved for professional contractors' use for commercial jobs. Made of high-strength, corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, the Handvoll stepladder provides undeniable durability in a lightweight package. Number 4. Ultimate portability. Wherever you're working, portability is key. That's why our 15.5 telescopic ladder only weighs a light 25 pounds. That means you can easily transport it in a car or truck and store it when it's not in use. After all, you can use all the time-saving help you can get. Number 5. Considerate design. For added security, we have designed hooks on the top and the balance bar at the bottom that make the ladder more stable and safer when used. Number 6. Removable hook design for added safety when needed. High-strength material for hooks, easy to install. Number 7. We have improved the design and increase L-shaped rubber feet to the support frame, which makes the bottom of the ladder more stable. Number 8. Extends and locks using the thumb buttons for steps that won't slip down while in use. The anti-slip rung ridged steps design keeps feet from sliding around when the ladder is climbed, while latches on the support poles enable the rungs to be fixed in place for stable support. Number 9. It features 4 anti-slip feet, ridged steps, and secure locking safety spacers to meet the very highest standards. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.